We're eating horseshoe crabs in Thailand, scallops, and mantis shrimp. And that's why they call them mantis shrimp. And here's the live mantis shrimp. Horseshoe crab. That one looks dead, but I definitely bought a live one. And lobster. Look at this. My God. That's about 4.5 kilos or about 9 pounds. Wow. And I think that's a shovel nose shark, which is actually a stingray. Sand shark? Stingray.
Yes, sir.
I like the octopus.
Yeah, it is good.
It is, yeah.
Real good. And
Yeah.
and butter good.
Wow. 9 pounds. Very good. Thank you, brother.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
See you later.
Okay. At the seafood market. Wow. Very good, very good. Maybe some scorpion on a stick for dessert. The food was good, but I think it was about $40. Not cheap.